Hey guys, whatever you do, don't buy the Realme Narzo 70x 5G. Trust me, you don't want a phone this good. It's so amazing, it's dangerous. Let's dive into why you shouldn't get it. Right off the bat, it has a 120Hz ultra smooth display that's too smooth. And that screen to body ratio of 91.40%, forget it. The MediaTek Dimensity 6100 Plus processor with 5G is overkill. Don't even get me started on SUPERVOOC certification for consistency. Plus, the battery life is insane. 5000 mAh giving you up to 26 days standby. The real kicker? It charges up to 50% in just 31 minutes with a 45W charger. It's like they want you to never worry about charging again. Ridiculous. Oh, it also has a 50MP AI camera for stunning photos. And it's super lightweight with an ultra slim design. Crazy, right? Link in bio.